nakamtaki video hakeleng ka perthai. Subscribe yu Pyllait Naphang. But like share ya ki video jong kaneka channel.
This is a very clear message to the government of Meghalaya and Chief Minister. Please plead this issue regarding with Aadhar to the government of India and give a letter to the government of India to escape Meghalaya from Aadhar, because most of the people in our state, they didn't want Aadhar. So before you enforce Aadhar or before you execute Aadhar in our state, please give an awareness program about Aadhar, because most of the people, they didn't know about Aadhar. So I request you, before you enforce Aadhar, please give an awareness program about Aadhar. What does Aadhar mean, so that the people, they know about Aadhar. If you don't give an awareness program, why do you want to enforce Aadhar in our state? This is impossible. So I want the government of Meghalaya, especially the Chief Minister, please plead this issue regarding with Aadhar to the government of India and give a letter to the government of India to escape Meghalaya from Aadhar, because most of the people in our state, they didn't want Aadhar. Before you enforce Aadhar, you have to request the government of India to give any special law or any special provision in Meghalaya to protect the encroachment of outsiders, because most of the outsiders from other states, they came to Meghalaya to set up a business. We, the people of Meghalaya, we face a problem regarding unemployment, because most of our youths, most of our people, they don't have any job, and we face unemployment. So why do the people from other states, they came in our state to set up a business? This is impossible. This is impossible. So I request you, the government of Meghalaya, please request the government of India to give a special provision or a special law to protect us from the outsiders. And I also request you to plead the government of India, as I said just now, to escape Meghalaya from Aadhar, because most of the people, they didn't want Aadhar. Karena ketika kerwak kebasai, jika sorkar Meghalaya sebab ban gasat, bat ka sorkar India sebab ban ai daga jingtho, jika sorkar India ba kan Pyllait jika Meghalaya ban pyntreikam ya Aadhar. Namar bun ki paitbah hagan ka jala ka jami kim patip sephang Aadhar, bat kim pat kwah yu Aadhar ban pyntreikam hagan ka jala ka jami. Haswa ban pyntreikam yu Aadhar hagan jingcha de ban aishwa daga jing pensai Kane, lane daga jing batai sephang Aadhar. Kai ka jing mud yu Aadhar, bat kai ka jing thmu haba pyntreikam yu Aadhar. De ban batai sai paitbah haswa ban pyntreikam yu Aadhar hagan ka jala Meghalaya. Nrei lem kumta te kamlong kabadai ban pyntreikam yu Aadhar klem ka jing pensai ki paitbah ka jing thmu yu Aadhar, bat ka jing mud haba pyntreikam yu Aadhar. Pyntreikam ya kini an coba kelain lane ki kompleks lo haswa pyntreikam yu Aadhar kan ngamut dong ba dan kam chwa ban pan ya ki an coba kelain naka sorkar India ki an ki bala ban yada ini na ka jingwan rum kerthep ki bruk banabar namar bon ki bruk banabar ki wan sha jala Meghalaya dungi ban wan sengkam sang jam ban wan long kum kata ki businessman kada mangipat bidang kerduk jam bat ngimla tang ban sengkam seng jam ru haga jingsha deban ailat deban kiki fa yaki paitbah jong ka jalala jong ke takadau ngakwa yaka sorkar Meghalaya bahkan nyasai berkat sorkar India bahkan Pyllait ya ka jala Meghalaya na u Aadhar bat ngakwa ru yaka sorkar Meghalaya bakade ban pan yaki an ki baklan tung ka ILP bat KIWEI ki an ki baklan ki banyada ini na ka jingwan rung kerthep na ka jingwan le ka domon ki beri banaba te perlok tang kini ki jing pensai ki jingkren ki jonga hakane ka por kublai sibun kublai sajar ni yang saya siam yang hak KIWEI video